spring has sprung, y'all. And so many beautiful flowers that are available. And Eddie and I are on the same wavelength. We like using real vegetables, real fruit, real flowers. So he is getting ready to share with y'all a spring arrangement. And I love it when he gets to putting things together.
Well, you know, if you're having a little dinner party in the spring, which a lot of people, they start getting their vegetables in and everything.
Yes.
They want to show it off.
Is that kale?
It's kale and then the Napa cabbage.
Chinese, that's Oriental cabbage.
Oriental cabbage.
Yes.
You can go on and fill your vase around. Some great little...
Yes, just beautiful. I'm gonna put a piece of cabbage in there and turn it the other way. Yeah, so it'll...
I wasn't sure which was going to be the prettiest.
Not that
You want to go
side,
the
but
other way?
other side.
The other way?
Come out.
Yeah, I just didn't think that side was so pretty.
Oh, I think it's pretty. And you know, that's one of my favorite parts of the cabbage is like the heart. See how pretty that is? It's coming towards us.
Yeah.
You know, that way. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Just an arrangement of different greens. That one's no good. But the rest is beautiful. Well, except for one or two pieces.
I see a dish in your future.
A dish. Oh.
So these are just some decorative
Purple
cabbages, and they, I mean, really, once they start getting warm, they kind of open up all on their own a little bit.
I used to do those all the time, Eddie, in my catering.
And would you use
I would
like mayonnaise and stuff in it, or flowers?
I mainly used it for the dip for fresh vegetables, because I'd make a beautiful fresh vegetable platter and fruit platter, and these make great containers for your dips.
So this, using a
Cookie
biscuit
cutter.
cutter, you can kind of hollow out the center, and you kind of got to dig it out a little bit. Just be
Is
careful.
that one
This
got
is the
a?
remnants of
Has that one got a whoppy bottom? That one right there.
That one's good.
Okay. Because if you got a cabbage that doesn't want to stand up good, then you'll have to trim the base of it.
Yeah, I did a little bit. It's still
Still kind of wobbly.
still wants to move a little bit.
making a little different.
Use a little,
Yeah, prop it up.
especially once you get flowers in there. It'll start moving.
Yep. This is such a great idea.
All right, you wanna?
Do you need a smaller cup?
No, I want it so that it kind of overflows a little bit.
Is
If
that
you
enough
want
water
to,
in there, hun?
this is enough water for that. Yeah.
For that? Okay.
If you want to start filling that,
Okay, I will do it. And my feelings won't be hurt if you come behind me and touch me. We'll pull these leaves off because that is it's a smaller container. And I think I love the green, Eddie, close to the edges, you know. Like, see that coming into the greenery, how pretty that is. Let's see, where can we do
and I
another?
think this is the end of the
Yes.
daffodils for the season.
Oh,
That's
I picked some at the extended care. They had so many pretty daffodils. These stems are almost not long enough, you know? Get back up there. I'm gonna have to take that one out, let him sit on top of something else.
So we need to have a dinner party.
I know! Uh-oh, that's too long.
Go to all this work and not use it up.
Oh, but my eyes will use it up, Eddie. You know what I mean, Vern? My eyes will eat it up.
I will be bringing some of these over to Aunt Peggy. I know she wants some flowers for her table. She's been...
Oh, she does?
Her vase is empty. She
I know
used
it.
the flowers as long as she could on the last arrangement.
I had to finally throw it away the other night. I couldn't look at it another second. Those rotten flowers. But you know that house plant that I bought her?
Uh-huh.
It's beautiful. It's doing real good in the house.
Yeah, I noticed she keeps moving it around to different places.
I know. I noticed. I hope I hit the glass on that one. I don't know that I did.
So this, we actually did get to use some of the daffodils out of the yard, and then I did have to get some more, but that's the end of it. But anyways, this just a simple arrangement. You could use centerpiece.
Oh, those are so pretty.
You know, it would be nice to put candles in this as well.
Oh yeah.
Be nice.
Candles would be beautiful in there.
But I know a lot of dinner guests, they like low arrangements
Low
on the
arrangements
dining
so
table.
we can see each other.
I kind of like doing the big arrangements.
I do too, but people want to be able to see who they're talking to.
You talk to the person you're seated next to.
Oh, is that the way that works? I never thought about that.
Sometimes dinner parties are strategic.
Yes. Yes, and a lot of people will give a lot of thought to the seating, you know, in order for it to be a successful party. They give it a lot of thought. I think we need another little piece of yellow right here. I think my vase is full, you know.
Anyways, these type of arrangements are great. If you've got cut flowers in your garden, keep it real simple. And it looks like you've done a lot of work cutting out the vegetables and everything, and it makes a big statement.
It does. I tell you who taught me how to make arrangements years ago, and that was Aunt Peggy. Because I would go to her house, and she would have huge arrangements like that size.
Yeah, natural looking.
Every bit of it was greenery out of her yard.
Yeah.
And they were stunning. All right, Eddie, can this be improved upon?
Looks good.
I think it's adorable. And it's so easy and it's fun. It's fun. I love creating. You know, I was looking at, I noticed that Eddie hung my fish that I painted. And I look at that fish and I said, I can't believe I actually painted that, you know, that I could sit still long enough to do that. But it's just fun. It's fun to create. And especially when you're doing it with somebody that loves to create along with you. Thank you, Eddie. You is smart, you is kind, and you is pretty.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.